In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a geolocation field in Salesforce. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We are diving into the step-by-step process, so grab your computer and let's get started. First off, go ahead and open your Salesforce. You should see the home page, which is your gateway to everything within your Salesforce environment. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time. Next, find the gear icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your key to accessing various settings and configurations. Click on that gear icon. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've clicked that, a drop-down will appear, and from there you'll want to click on Open Advanced Setup. This area will allow you to navigate even further into Salesforce options. After you've opened the Advanced Setup, look for the Object Manager. This is where you'll manage all the objects, fields, and records within Salesforce. Simply click on the Object Manager link, and you'll be directed to a list of standard and custom objects. Once you're in the Object Manager, pick the object for which you want to create a geolocation field. For example, if you want to add this feature to your account records, click on Account. It's essential to select the correct object, as this impacts where your geolocation field will live. Now that you've selected the object, the next step is to click on Fields and Relationships. This will take you to a section where you can see all the fields available for that specific object. Look for the New button, located typically in the top right corner once you are in the Fields and Relationships section. Click that to start adding a new field. As you create a new field, you will see various options. This is where we want to check the box for the geolocation field type. You'll find this option fairly easily, as Salesforce provides a range of field types. Checking the geolocation box is crucial for adding location data to your records. After you've checked that box, proceed by clicking on Next. Trust me when I say, this is just the start. You want to make sure you're labeling your geolocation field clearly so that users understand its purpose when they see it. Giving it a relevant label enhances the user's experience going forward. Now that you've labeled your field, a fun little step awaits you. Next, you'll need to add decimal places to your geolocation field. Depending on your needs, you might want 1 or 2 decimal places, allowing for precision based on how you intend to use this location data. Once that's done, hit Next again. You're doing great so far. Now, you'll want to ensure the field is visible. It's crucial that your users can actually see and interact with the field you're creating. So check that box for Visible to ensure accessibility. Once you've confirmed that it's visible, click on Next one last time before you finalize everything. You're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on the Save button. This action will create your geolocation field within the selected object, making it available for use on your Salesforce records. And there you have it. You have successfully added a geolocation field to your Salesforce environment. You may want to test it out by creating or editing a record to see how it looks and behaves within the context of your records. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Happy Salesforcing, and I hope to see you in the next video.